What is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. For the brand new viewers, my name is Slowbee, and we're starting in the house today because it's about 1 degree out. So I am not taking this camera with me. I'm just going to take the GoPros. I got the 5 batteries, and they're probably going to die pretty quick. It's pretty cold. So what I'm going to try to do today, since it's so cold, I got a hand warmer. I'm already getting it ready. And I'm going to throw it in this plastic bag, and I'm going to put those batteries in there. So we'll see if that works. I bought, it's called a PHOOZY Foozy, and it's like a insert. You put your phone inside it. It is, when it gets cold, it keeps your phone warm, and when it's too hot out, it keeps your phone cool. I'm gonna try it out. It costs $49.99. I don't get it till Tuesday, so I won't get to try it till next week. But I'm hoping to be able to keep my phone don't really die, but I'm hoping to be able to keep the GoPro batteries in there. So that's kind of my idea. We're gonna take a short ride. It's about 1 degree out. I gotta be back by like 1:30, and then I'm just gonna take a lot of. It's just me solo. The guys are going to Stillwater today, and I just don't have the time to go with them. I would missing out, but also it's a little cold, so I don't want to be a baby about it. But hey, I got all weekend to worry about getting decent miles in. So we're about to do a little 45-mile jaunt. I'm gonna go through Florence, 46 Corners, Osceola, North Trail, back into Redfield. It's about 42 miles. It's just a good little trip when you don't have much time to work with, and it's gonna be a little chilly out there, so whatever. Like I said, I'm not bringing this camera with me. I'm gonna leave it here, so it's gonna be mostly just riding footage. I'm gonna put the front and rear camera on, and I'm gonna drive for about, I want to say 15 minutes, and I'll check the batteries. I have a funny feeling they'll be dead, and then I'll just replace them. And I'm hoping to get at least through 46 Corners, and we'll do the video. We'll do this video, and then we'll do the unedited riding footage video, and then hopefully we'll get another video in this weekend. And I'm thinking of doing a camp story video because I have all these pictures all over the wall. I'll show you. So I was thinking about just going through all those pictures and, you know, just telling the story, get a little background of camp and stuff, because I try to put up like 1 to 2 pictures every year, something new. And, you know, everything's got meaning to it, a little, you know, meaning behind it. And I think it would be cool if you guys learned a little more about camp. So I'm going to get ready. I'm going to get these GoPros in the bag with the hand warmer and get everything ready to go, gas the sled up, and get out of here. I'm leaving this camera behind, so guys, do me a favor. You know the deal. Crush the like button, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you know when I'm uploading new videos. And talk to me about snowmobiling in the comments, guys. I'm getting more interaction. I love it. It's enjoyable. And don't forget the fan email, too. You could send emails and stuff to me. Fan photos, fan emails. Gotta be a Slowbee @gmail.com. There, gotta be a Slowbee @gmail.com. So without further ado, let's cut to the riding. I gotta be honest, guys, I was disappointed I'm missing the big ride, but I just went out, got the sled started, and I'm not trying to be a baby here or anything. Well, maybe I am just a little bit, but my truck took me 4 tries to get my truck started, and sled got warmed up nice. I was gonna put the GoPro on while I was out there, but I think that if I have to go out there and put them on when I get dressed and turn them right on, because I think they'll die right away. It's bitter. It's like, the last I checked it was 1 degree, And by the time it gets tonight, it's supposed to be like -9, -10. So just wanted to fill you in on the frigid weather we've been waiting for. But setting the trails up real nice. So let me get dressed, get the GoPros on, and get out of here. Got some work to do. You are not gonna believe what just happened. I don't know about riding today. I was putting this guy on. You gotta put the nut on that side. I freaking dropped the nut and it went down in that hole. So I don't know what to do. Right now I'm gonna go see if I have one of those magnet thingies. Kind of the flexible one that you can stick down there and hopefully it'll grab it. I don't know if I should ride with that in there. It didn't even sound like it went to the bottom. You know how sometimes when you drop stuff you can hear it hit the very bottom of the cowl? Well, it just sounded like it dropped in there and then stuck there somewhere. So going into the milk house. Sometimes all this stuff is in my dad's car too, so I'm not very hopeful I'll find it. Nope, nothing out here. Oh man. There is a magnet, but there's no way to get that magnet in there. I need one of those thin ones that has like a little grabber on the end. I would hate to ride and it bounces around and gets in the clutch or something. That would be a freaking catastrophe. Oh, I don't know what to do. Guys, I have no clue what to do. Alright, I'm going to turn this off and let me figure this out. So guys, I'm going to go against my better judgment and ride this thing. I got it running, and I can't hear that nut jiggling at all. And I just don't want to be, I don't want to wreck it, but comment below if this has ever happened to you. And let me know how you went about it. Like I said, I'm going against my better judgment. So if you think I'm wrong, you can also comment below. I mean, the season only comes once, so I can't sit here in 0 degrees trying to figure out how to get everything apart. And hopefully it just falls out while I'm riding. I don't know. You tell me. You gotta do what you gotta do sometimes. And that's where I'm at right now. So we're gonna get these cameras on and get out of here. Alright guys, that ride is over. So, I think I did hear the thing moving around a little bit when I first started, but then I stopped hearing it, and then all I could hear is the ice from under the track. But I have a question for you guys. Please answer in the comments below. If you're using an open face helmet setup and you're using it whether it's 30 degrees out or it's 10 below zero, basically I'm looking for the guys that wear them all the time. I want to know what your setup is, what keeps you warm, and I'll show you mine real quick. You've seen it before. I literally got the 509 altitude helmet with the Sinister goggles, and then I just put that on. When I put that on, and this thing, I don't really care for it too much. I want to know if you guys, I want to know if there's a better setup out there than that, because I get cold wearing it. But my modular, I'm going to tell you guys right now, I've got 3 of them from when I started snowmobiling. I just save them. I cannot stand them. They squeeze me here and here. And this past year and last year a little bit, it actually makes me feel sick to my stomach, a little nauseous. So I'd rather not feel that way and just stay here and have a few drinks, if you know what I mean. But I don't want to do that. I want to continue to wear the open face, but when it gets below like 20 degrees or even 10 degrees, it's hard for me to wear. So in the comments below, let me know what you think. But guys, I'll tell you what right now, I will take quality over quantity any day. That was a nice ride. Everything looked like it was pretty groomed. There was a couple spots that were a little bumpy, but you know, with that XRS, it eats those bumps. More stutter bumps than anything. And then I don't know when the rear camera went off, so when I look at all that footage, we'll find out. But that's it. That's a wrap, guys. That was a fun little ride. And yeah, it was a fun little ride, and we're gonna wrap this up. I'm gonna post this video, and then I'm gonna do an unedited video. So like I said, I'm getting into that. I'm getting into that again. So as always, do me that favor. Let your friends, your frenemies, your enemies, your grandmas, your grandpas, your aunts, your uncles, your brothers, your sisters, your moms, your dads, all them people know. And thank you so much for all the support. We are cranking right along. We're at, like, as of this video, we are at like 887, I think. So we're getting close to that 1,000 mark, or that 1,000 goal. So keep on watching, keep on sharing. I love you guys. Peace out, and we'll see you next time.